How to use the wa topic marker in Japanese. Here we have the wa particle, and this is used to express the topic of a sentence, what it is you're talking about. So this can be used for things like setting the topic of conversation. Like, for example, imagine the big box around the current conversation you're having. The wa particle sets that box. And generally the following information is some sort of general truth about the thing that came before the wa particle, some sort of detail, some sort of opinion, some sort of fact or information about whatever comes before the wa particle. This is often translated as kind of like a as for. So like here, as for Cloud, do you like flowers? So here we're adding information about Cloud, liking flowers.
クラウドはお花好き?
名前は, so as for his name, it's Cloud Strife.
名前なんだっけ?
元ソルジャーだとよ。
ああ。
名前はクラウドストライフ。
In this example, Tifa's asking information about Cloud. Will he be in town for a while? So as for Cloud, will you be in town for a bit?
クラウドはしばらくミッドガルだよね。
In this example, Cloud sets the topic of the sentence using the wa particle. As for the timer, timer wa. And then Barrett says, as for this time, 今回は it'll be a remote switch.
タイマーは何分だ?
何分でもいいぜ。今回はリモートスイッチ式だ。
Here, Cloud's giving information about these particular monsters, and that these monsters attack the weakest.
あの手のモンスターは弱いものから襲う。
In this example, this person is giving information about themselves. 俺は, as for me, 逃げない. I don't run away.
俺は逃げない。目の前の悪に背を向けてたまるか!
Or like in this example, this is interesting. As for this, it's interesting.
なるほど。これは面白い。
As for this, it's amazing.
これはすごい！すごいぞ！
へえ、こりゃすごいね。
We can see here it's being used to add information about a person. What's your name?
それで、あなたは？
僕は井田哲也です。
Again, adding information about a person. He is a genius. As for him, he's a genius.
彼は天才だよ。
Or like here in Tales of Berseria, as for tomorrow, I'll make you stew, okay? So here adding information about tomorrow.
明日はシチューを作ってあげるね。
As for us, we are soldiers. So the bit of information about us is that we are soldiers. 僕たちは, as for us, 兵士です. We are soldiers.
僕たちは兵士です。
And finally, like here in Attack on Titan, as for him, he is not an enemy of humanity. So as you can see, the wa particle is generally used to set the topic of a conversation, what you're talking about. And then the following information is usually some sort of details about the topic. Maybe it's a general truth about the topic, or some sort of opinion about the topic, or some sort of fact about the topic. Generally, this is how the wa particle is used. There is, however, one more really common way that the wa particle is used, and that is for contrast. So like here, we can see that the wa particle can actually be used to contrast two topics. So let's say, for example, you like Kyoto, but you don't like Tokyo. You could say, Kyoto wa suki da kedo. I like Kyoto, however, Tokyo wa suki janai. I don't like Tokyo. So here you can use the wa particle to contrast two things.
それより体は大丈夫なのか？体は大丈夫です。けど、頭は正直混乱してます。
So like in this example dialogue from Persona 5, we can see both different uses being used for the wa particle. First, as for your body, is it okay? And then the girl replies with, as for my body, it's okay. However, as for my head, it's a little bit mixed up. So here we can see that the cat guy is using the first use, the setting of the topic, and then the girl replies with a contrastive use of the wa particle. But still, the as for translation holds strong. Or like here in Xenoblade Chronicles 3, as for me, it might be impossible, but everybody else will be able to eat, right? So the two things that are being contrasted is me and everyone else. And then being able to eat, for me, it's not okay, but for everyone else, it is.
私は無理かもしれないけど、みんなは食べられるでしょ？
Or again, like here in Persona 3, again we have these two situations. As for at school, I haven't seen him. However, as for in town, he has been seen.
荒垣先輩か。驚いたよね。学校では見なかったけど、街では見かけてたからさ。
And then finally, like here in Inuyasha, as for who it is, I don't know. However, as for the criminal, it means they're nearby. And so here the two things that are being contrasted is information about the criminal. As for who it is, I don't know, but where he is, it seems to be nearby.
誰かは知らねえけど、犯人は近くにいるってことだな。
So as you can see, the what particle is really useful to do things like set the topic of a conversation that you then add details about, whether it be facts or opinions. But it can also be used in a contrastive way. Generally when you're contrasting two things in a similar group, whether it's my body's okay but my head's not, or I like Kyoto but I don't like Tokyo. These things are all kind of in a similar group, body parts and places. And you're contrasting these things using the wa particle. So this wa particle is definitely a tricky piece of language to get your head around, and I would say that most learners spend their good first couple of years really just slowly getting a grasp of how the wa particle is used and also how it's different from the ga particle. I do have a video on that if you'd like to check that out on the channel, but in a real summary, wa is just used to set the topic of conversation that you then add detail about that thing, whereas ga usually marks the doer or beer in the sentence, the person who does an action or the person who is a certain way. The focus is very different. Here the ga particle is focusing on the doer, whereas the wa topic marker just sets the topic and then adds information. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy learning Japanese. Thanks so much to everyone who supports the channel through the Game Gengo website and Patreon. It's all thanks to you guys that I'm even able to make these videos for you guys, so thank you so much for all of your support. Hope you enjoy all the content that I've got planned coming. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you again in the next video. See you guys.